Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a golf shaft. First, gather all your essential tools. You will need a heat gun, a shaft extractor, a vise, and 2-part epoxy. Also, make sure you have a well-ventilated area to work in. Before starting, measure your current shaft's length and tip diameter. This helps ensure your new shaft will fit perfectly and perform as expected. Proper preparation is key for a successful shaft replacement. Now, let's remove the old shaft. Begin by securing the club head in a vise, using rubber clamps to prevent any damage. Next, apply heat evenly around the hosel with a heat gun for about 30 to 60 seconds. The epoxy will soften. Then, carefully use a shaft extractor to pull the old shaft straight out. Be patient and avoid excessive force to prevent damaging the club head. With the old shaft removed, it's time to prepare for the new one. First, meticulously clean the inside of the hosel, removing all old epoxy and debris. A wire brush or reaming tool works well. Next, lightly sand the tip of your new shaft, about 1.5 inches up, to create a better bonding surface for the epoxy. Finally, dry fit the new shaft into the hosel to ensure a snug and proper fit. For the final step, we install the new shaft. Mix your 2-part golf club epoxy thoroughly, following the manufacturer's specific instructions. Apply a generous, even coat of epoxy to the prepared shaft tip and inside the club head's hosel. Carefully insert the new shaft, twisting it slightly to ensure even epoxy distribution. Align the shaft correctly, then allow the epoxy to cure completely for at least 24 hours before use.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.